Morning po. Just wake up, then I wanna eat. What's this? Ooh. Just one quick vlog for barbecue. Ooh, found it, found it. Hello po. Kuya, what is this? Huh? Head. Liver. Can I have one liver and one barbecue? Two barbecue. Barbecue? Ooh. Barbecue. And can I have two hot dogs, please? Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you po. What's the sauce? The liver a little bit doesn't look good. It's hard. Tastes a little bit weird. Well, okay. Barbecue. Barbecue was not looks like looks like slimy. Hold on. From this store, this one is the best one, I think. But I don't like dip to the sauce. Like outside is dry, inside is soft type. I like it. But this one, I don't like dip to the sauce. Anyway, ごちそうさまでした. Wanna go see another place? Huh? Ooh, microwave cooking and rice. I love Filipino rice. Thank you po. Thank you. Ooh. で、フィリピンはこのカラマンシーをぶっかける。まあレモン的な感じです。せいせい。75 peso. Onion, chili, sisig. Nakakamata isa salap. And also, I don't know what is it, but it looks good, so I got toge. Looks like a harumaki. Yup. This is like exactly harimaki. The big one, harimaki. I like it. Exactly tastes like harimaki. Sarap the toge. The toge, that's near my favorite. So sarap. And it's 25 peso, surprisingly.